Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam client when it gets stuck on verifying installation. This is a frustrating issue that can prevent you from launching or updating your games, but fortunately there's a straightforward solution that should get Steam running smoothly again. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to completely close Steam before making any changes. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons. This reveals any applications running in the background that you might not immediately see. Once the menu appears, locate the Steam icon, right-click on it, and select Exit Steam from the options. This ensures that Steam is fully closed and not just minimized, which is important for the next steps to work properly. Now that Steam is completely closed, navigate to your desktop and find your Steam shortcut. Right-click on the Steam shortcut, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings related to how Steam launches and runs on your system. These compatibility settings are key to resolving the verification issue you're experiencing. In the Properties window that opens, click on the Compatibility tab. This tab contains several options that control how Steam interacts with your Windows operating system. Here's where you'll make the crucial changes. You need to check two specific boxes. First, check the box beside Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then also check the box beside Run this program as administrator. These two settings work together to give Steam the proper permissions and display settings it needs to function correctly without getting stuck during the verification process. After you've checked both of those boxes, it's important to save these changes in the right order. First, click the Apply button. This commits the changes you've made to the system. Then click OK to close the Properties window. This two-step process ensures that your settings are properly saved and will take effect when you restart Steam. Finally, to make sure all the changes take effect properly, restart your PC. This gives Windows a chance to fully implement the new compatibility settings you've configured. Once your computer has restarted and you're back at your desktop, go ahead and open the Steam app. Steam should now launch without getting stuck on the verifying installation screen, and you should be able to access your games and updates without any issues. And that's it. You've resolved the Steam verification issue by adjusting compatibility settings and running Steam with administrator privileges. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.